Hi guys, we're back with another video, and today we are going to be walking our doggy. Dickie. Hello.
Hello. Today's also Gregory's birthday.
Yeah, it's my birthday. 8. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry guys. Yeah. Today's my birthday. And we're walking out with doggy. Look at her run, she was fast. Look, she is right there. She was like a fast kid. Emma, look! No, Emma, look! Emma, look, a stick. So guys, I got a stick. Emma, she's going for the stick. Oh, yeah. We are walking home, and we're going to have a good day. Our little doggo Annabelle. Our little doggo Annabelle. No, she tied me up. She tied me up. No, she tied me up again. She keeps tying me up. Whoa. She was fast. She's a little crazy today. Yeah, you can have the stick. Pat. Oh my God, she got it. She got it so fast. I don't know how. She is so fast. Oh no, I'm tied. Oh, I'm tied. Now don't you pull me. I'm gonna get you. And I'm gonna get you. Whoa. Yeah. Oof, I fell down. Oh my God. She just whined a little bit. If you guys didn't really hear that. Okay, so should we keep going home now? Yeah. Oh my gosh, she's up. Oh, sorry guys. The wind probably did that. Oh God. Bella, stop that. I'm gonna get you. How about Annabelle just follows me with a random stick, okay? Oh, no. She's gonna block me. Look at the sky, it's so cute. Okay, Annabelle, no street. Don't go on the street, so then you're gonna die. You can run over and die. Okay, I need to end the video here because it's gonna be so hard getting Annabelle in the house. So, like, subscribe, and smash that button to get notified of all my videos I make. And bye, guys.